Right, this is the last full day of Church Farm. Forgot to do that one. I'll do that in a bit. Wow, this week has actually gone so fast. I'm not even joking. Just turned on the TV. It really has gone so fast. I need to start, like packing and things like that. So, and start clearing up everywhere. So, I'm still debating to go swimming or not. I probably will, but I don't know what time yet. I don't know. I mean, I need to have a shower anyway, so either way, it works in my favour, so. I've decided to make myself a bacon sandwich. Let's go. Right, the van doesn't necessarily have spatulas, so I'm kind of like happy on the side with this thing. Pretty cool if you ask me. I think I have seen these before, but hey ho. Anyway, let's get cooking. Right, this is just popped on. I'm going to turn it down, flip it, and then there we go. Bacon sandwich, hot chocolate, milkshake. Voila! Church bells. Damn it, I got the last few. I even came out barefooted as well. Never do that. Before you say anything, yes, I am wearing the same t-shirt as yesterday. That's because I slept in it. I'm gonna change my top in a bit, as well as my trousers. And yeah, just see what happens, I guess. I was gonna go to the church, but then I thought, today's Sunday. There's probably a mass going on. So probably not the best idea to do it just yet. So I'll leave it a bit and then see what happens. They're off again. Going out with barefoot again. So someone's walking past. It's so cool. They're actually pretty cool. They're still going. Just don't want to stand on the concrete for any longer. So they're still going on. Must be some Sunday service or something. I need to get dressed. Need to let my phone charge for a bit as well, because all I've been doing is just lounging around, or whatever you want to call it. So I don't know what top to wear. I have options. I have my ABBA top. I have one with skulls on it. I have my Beetlejuice one. I have my vampire one for when I went to Chessington, and the Lion King one. So I have a mixed variety, shall we say. Decisions. Either way, I'm going to sleep in it tonight, so better be comfy. But yeah, whatever I decide to change into, it'll be perfect, I guess. I don't know. At this point in life, I just throw on the nearest t-shirt and then there you go. As long as it's clean, then it's fine. Just had another look outside. It's gonna rain by the looks of it. Oh, how cozy would that be, me having a roast dinner and it's raining? That's gonna be so cozy. I mean, it looks darker on camera than it does in real life, but hey ho, that's gonna be well cozy. Luckily I've got my coat in my room, so not too bad. Right, I'm going down now. It's 11:40. Yes, it's a bit early, but you know, might actually see if there's any luck in the arcades. Oh, am I going to do that later? I'm not actually too sure. I haven't quite decided yet. I know for sure if there's no mass, go back in the church and, you know, try and walk off the roast, you know. But yeah, this is the one thing that I wanted to do all week. Because I tried the roast last year and it was fantastic, you know. It's the one thing I've been really excited about. So... Well, bear with, as it's quite busy in here. I'm going to go for the adult roast. The only thing is that I don't know if I can have both gammon and turkey. I don't like beef. I'll have to ask when I go up. But, you know, yeah, I'm going to get your chicken wings and all that. Look at all that. Looks amazing. I might actually see if I can have, like, a side of garlic bread or whatever. I don't know whether that will come with it. They even do crumble. I might order a crumble afterwards because that does look quite nice. Oh my god. Chocolate waffles, there must be that. Or whatever. They look amazing. Thing is though, it's not until like midday and I've got like another 10 minutes to spare. So, you know, I'm literally just having a look now. But yeah, the queue's getting quite big, so I need to think I might just start queuing. Obviously I'm going to put my jacket on the table so they know that it's my table, no one else's, in the nicest way possible. But yeah, see how we go on, I guess, because last year it wasn't as busy, but this year it seems busier, if that makes sense. So I might just go up and order and just, you know, probably leave my stuff here probably. So, you know, I've got my wallet in my pocket, so it works in my favour. So, you know, roast this all ordered, and I've got myself one of these drinks as well. One which I can never pronounce the name of. Look at that. That gravy jug is actually quite hot. I'll move that there. A bit of turkey, I don't know what's going on there, but it must have been from the grease. Mashed potato by the looks of it. Some veggie stuff, all of that stuff. I'm so excited. I did get the fat off the gammon as I don't like fat. Look at that. Let's go. Look at the mash. Oh. Look at that. This looks amazing. I don't think they'll be amazing. They're actually amazing. Guys, you'll never guess. I want a toad. Look at him. I did put 45 balls in, but for some reason they are randomly coming out. Probably because I was trying to get my camera out. Yeah, this is a great machine because of the tickets and all that. So, you know, you can see the tickets counting down from there. While it's counting down from here. This is why I like these sort of machines, because they give you decent tickets, as you can see. So, you know. Small update. I'm back in the van, as you can tell, but I'm going to go back, change up all the tickets for prizes. I'm going to bring my bag, just in case. Because knowing me, depending on how many tickets there are, I'm going to need a bag. So I'm just going to take my rucksack and then just put them all in there. Just saves me carrying, you know. I also need milk, but because I'm going back tomorrow, I'm not going to bother. I have to give them my hot chocolate in the morning, or I'll get one from the restaurant or whatever. But because it's the last night, I want to make sure that I got everything, if that makes sense. You know, everything all sorted, starting off with prizes, starting off, you get the drift. I'm also going to go have a shower at some point as well. I mean, it's only, what time is it? It's nearly 2 o'clock, so 5 to 2. That's literally the plan. I need to figure out where these bins are, for me to put the bins out in the morning. Whether you'll see that, I don't know. But yeah, this has been such a nice holiday, you know. So, yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna go back to the arcade now, change up all the tickets for prizes, and then yeah, see where I end up. Going back there now. I don't know how many tickets I've got. No, I've got over 500, but I don't know exactly. Doesn't necessarily tell you when you've got cards like these, so I guess it'll be a surprise. It doesn't look like much, does it? I thought I've won while being here. To be fair though, I didn't go to the arcade like a lot, if that makes sense. I did, but not like. But yeah, them three I got out of the claw machine, but as I've got like 1,000 or so tickets. This one was the most expensive one. No, that one I think was the most expensive one. This one being 800. That one was 140. Can't remember with these two. But yeah, that's basically what I got. So, not too bad, is it? I guess so. I don't know. I'm just gonna stay in now till bedtime. Obviously, I'm gonna have a shower and all that, and you know, get my trusty plug. That being there has actually been quite handy when I'm watching like TV or whatever, or you know, just genuinely trying to relax. Phone's on 60%, so I thought I'd just give it a charge anyway. So, you know, but yeah, time to stay in till tomorrow. I was gonna do my usual thing where I sit on the step and just admire the weather, but it's raining, so it's actually quite cozy in the caravan when it rains. It's not like raining hard, but you know, it's raining hard enough to make it feel cozy, shall we say. Yeah, I don't know how well you're gonna see it. If I can get my phone on my hand properly. Don't know how well you can see that. Mate, this is actually really cozy. Now that's starting to rain. I may as well just get in the shower in a minute and just admire it. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's 4:15. I'm gonna have my pot noodle early. It's right in short. No, I haven't had a shower. I'm gonna go down to the entertainment because I didn't go yesterday. And I kind of want to go down again. So, just to see how I get on. Because I've only been down to the entertainment once. I wasn't going to stay for too long because I would like an early night. and this caravan needs to get clean as well. So I mean, I can do most of it in the morning. It's just like I need to just sweep a bit, wipe down the sides, put stuff away, that sort of stuff. So you get the drift. Because obviously I'm leaving tomorrow. I just read on the website that it has to be clean and tidy. And where I dropped my milkshake, not the fact that I haven't cleared it up, it's just difficult to. So I think you get the drift. And I still have no idea where the bins are for me to put this recycling or the normal bins out. So that's going to be entertaining, you know. So, and I was going to leave a bit early tomorrow anyway, because I'm going to see if people want to meet up tomorrow, which I'm not going to film, to be expected. So I'm going to see how I get on and do all that, and just go with the flow. So I might just start off doing various bits around here, and then just kind of go with the flow, if you know what I mean. Right, I've decided to stay in. I need a shower, like, look how greasy my hair is. My god. Anyway, so, I bought all of my face stuff, because why not? It's kind of like a thing for me to do on the Sunday. Kind of like a restart on the week, if that makes sense. It'll be interesting on how I do it in a caravan, because I think, as you can tell, this caravan's not very big. Well, the bathroom bit isn't very big, so, you know. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to try and do. And, yeah, see how I get on, I guess. So, you know. But, yeah, I need to bring all of the stuff together, seeing what there is in there. So, I'm going to start packing my things tonight as well, what I can anyway. Just so it's easier in the morning, because like I said earlier, I'm going to try and meet up with friends. I haven't quite decided what I'm doing with this lot yet. To be fair, I do have a wash bag, so I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, so that's what I've decided to do. And yeah, I'm going to go do that now. And yeah, just go with the flow, I guess. So, you know. Okay. Jesus, that's gonna fall. I'm gonna get an early night. I don't even know what time it is. I'm gonna check in a minute, but I'm gonna end the video here anyway. So please like and subscribe. You may see me in the morning. It depends if I remember to record. So this, you know. But yeah, please like and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye.